Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Logjam continues in both houses of parliament over issues of Rahul Gandhi's remarks and Adani Group matter. Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh inspects Shillong Cancer Wing, reviews functioning of the department. It is not appropriate to demand for a Khasi Chief Minister as the mandate of the people does not justify the demand, says Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya Dhar. Rajya Sabha MP W.R. Kharlukhi calls upon NEHU to initiate projects in the area of digital archiving of knowledge pertaining to Meghalaya. The news in detail. The logjam continued in both houses of parliament on the third consecutive day today over the issues of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's democracy remarks and the Adani Group matter. When the Lok Sabha met this morning, Treasury bench members raised slogans demanding Mr. Gandhi's apology. The members from Congress, DMK and some other opposition parties trooped into the well, demanding JPC probe in the Adani Group issue. Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh today inspected the cancer wing at the Shillong Civil Hospital. She, along with the officials of the department, took stock of the functioning of the cancer wing and also inquired about various challenges and issues being faced at the cancer wing. Expressing her satisfaction over the functioning of the hospital, she stated that the government has come up with a cancer mission to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing. She informed that the department is working not only on preventing but detecting cancer cases at an early stage. Meanwhile, Lyngdoh, who reviewed the functioning of the department yesterday, has also taken up a 100-day challenge to initiate reforms to improve the overall indexes in the health sector pertaining to maternal mortality rate (MMR) and infant mortality rate (IMR), 100% coverage of Megha health insurance scheme and addressing the issue of teenage pregnancies.
It has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they're well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this cancer institute as well.
Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya Dhar on Tuesday said it is not appropriate to demand for a Khasi Chief Minister as the mandate of the people does not justify the demand for a Khasi as the Chief Minister. Asked about the NPP's poor performance in the Khasi Hills, Dhar said that the party will conduct a post-mortem exercise after the assembly session ends for taking steps to improve in the next polls. Expressing satisfaction at the poll results for the party in the Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi district, he said the performance in the Khasi Hills was unexpected. He said parties such as the Trinamool Congress and the BJP getting 3-4 seats indicates that they are yet to be accepted by the people of the state.
Demanding Khasi Chief Minister, I think, is totally wrong. We have to respect the mandate of the people. Giant Hill is okay because we already predict also between 4 to 6. Unlike in Ribhoi, we already predicts 1 to 3, so it comes 2, so it's okay. And yes, little bit unexpected in Khasi Hill region. So we are yet to post-mortem as soon as the budget session is over.
Rajya Sabha MP W.R. Kharlukhi has called upon the Central Library of NEHU to initiate projects in the area of digital archiving of knowledge pertaining to the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole. He said this while speaking at the inaugural function of the IASLIC 29th seminar at NEHU here on Wednesday. Dr. Kharlukhi said that the state government is also setting up a museum on a similar line in Garo Hills. He also pointed out that it will be of great help if assistance could be given by the Central Library of NEHU in this initiative of the Meghalaya government.
So participants, without which
and for your information, the government of Meghalaya is going to start a museum in Carolines. And I think it will be of great help if assistance was given from the Central Library of Nehru in this initiative of the government of Meghalaya. Well, it will not only benefit my state or the Northeast, it will also benefit PhD researchers and all those who are interested in information.
The District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, in collaboration with the District Legal Services Authority, today observed World Consumer Rights Day. On the occasion, the Commission conducted an awareness program on consumer rights at Shillong Law College. Dr. Karbeteng, Sessions Judge and President of the District Consumer Commission, also spoke on the occasion about various aspects of consumer rights. Other spokespersons spoke about Consumer Protection Act 2019 and procedure of filing of complaint.
Of us. So rights as a consumer, so that and also consumer protection have very good experiences and learn from what they have to do. And
the work is not acting on this day to raise awareness about the rights of consumer. Being a consumer, it is crucial for us all to know about the steps we should take when we are not satisfied with the purchase and the service, or when we feel cheated as a consumer.
To commemorate International Women's Day, the Office of the District Sports Officer in West Jaintia Hills organized an open tug-of-war competition exclusively for women. The competition took place at Kyangnangba Stadium, Jawai. 9 teams participated in the competition. The final event was held between QC Springside and HK Singh, and QC Springside emerged as the winner. And the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 21.4 degrees Celsius, the minimum 11.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while that in the evening rose to 73%. The forecast: light to moderate rainfall is likely at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Another look at the headlines before we wind up. Logjam continues in both houses of Parliament over issues of Rahul Gandhi's remarks and Adani Group matter. Health Minister Ampreen Lingdaw inspects Shillong Cancer Wing, reviews functioning of the department. It is not appropriate to demand for a Khasi Chief Minister as the mandate of the people does not justify the demand, says Deputy Chief Minister Snehabalanthar. And Rajya Sabha MP W.R. Karluki calls upon NEHU to initiate projects in the area of digital archiving of knowledge pertaining to Meghalaya. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.